Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy at-home gel manicure. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So the very first thing that I like to do is cut my cuticles. So I did do this step prior to filming, but I just take cuticle nippers and a cuticle pusher, and I like to do this step after I get out of the shower or if I've soaked my nails. I also like to clean right under the nail just to make sure that there isn't any like lotion or any leftover residue. So I kind of just like to clean around, make sure everything looks good. After I'm finished with this step, I actually like to take a nail file and file my nails to the desired shape. I usually like to keep square nails. Sometimes I like to do kind of like a squoval, just so that the ends aren't pointy and they aren't constantly getting caught on clothing or kind of breaking. So I usually like to do like a square oval. Once I'm finished with the nail filing process, I actually like to go in and buff the nail, and very lightly, just to make sure that the nail polish will stick onto the nail and it doesn't come off quickly. For the nail polish that I use DND or Daisy DND. So this is kind of just nail polish that I've seen being used at the nail salons, and I actually got this one on Amazon. I'll link the product down below so you have access to it. I think it was only like $8. It's very inexpensive, and I just like to take a really thin layer and put it right on top of my nail, making sure that I am not touching any of the skin. Power that I found in winter flowers. Once I am done with the very first layer of nail polish, I take the SUNUV. It's an LED light, so they have a 30-second and 60-second option, and so I usually like to do 60 seconds for the very first time. So you just curate the nail for 1 minute, and then after you've done the very first one, then I take the same brand nail polish in the color 550 Coral Castle. I also like to take a very thin layer of application onto the nail. It doesn't matter if it looks really thin or if it kind of looks see-through. We're actually going to be doing a total of 3 layers, so by the time that we're all done, it'll be okay. I am showing only one hand for the nail polish process, only because it's very repetitive, and I know that you guys know what it looks like and how to do it, so I did only do my left hand for most of them. After every coat of nail polish, it is important to curate the nail under the LED light. So as I mentioned earlier, I normally do 60 seconds. I just think it's a little better. But now I'm just going in with the second coat of the nail polish. Once again, after the second coat, again I'm curating the nail. I'm actually going to go in with a third coat on the color. I just want to make sure that the nails don't look too see-through, so I'm actually just again curating the nail once more. After I've done the 3 coats, I'm actually going to take the final top gel coat. So this one will pretty much seal everything into place. And after you've put a thin layer of the top gel coat, you'll want to curate the nails as well. Time forever favors the young. We're going to take any type of alcohol that you might have with a cotton pad and just put a little tiny bit, and just kind of clean the top coat off. It'll actually be really sticky, but don't worry, you won't mess up the manicure. It'll actually just get rid of the residue at the very top. Finally, after you've cleaned the nails, I like to go back in with the clipper and kind of clean around the nail anywhere that I may have got nail polish. I actually like to go in with the nail file as well, just to make sure that the shape stayed true. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.